Dow Jones has shown a very good swing last week where we have seen it achieving record high levels close to 39,000 levels, and at the same time it has dropped towards 38,000 before closing the week at around 38,600 and closing in red. Does it mean that this is the beginning of the reversal in US30? Can we expect it to continue with the downward move here, or is it again going to form the record highs? What is going to be our strategy trading US30 in the coming week? How to profit? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Towards the end of the update, I'll be sharing the trading levels and strategy. Watch till the end. Do like, share, subscribe, and comment, and press the bell icon. Your every action is a great motivation for me to deliver twice a day updates, which I share for US30. First with the Asia and Europe session I share, and then next with the US session before the news, before the US spot market. So do press the bell icon. Let's start. First, we'll look into the charts and indicators here. If you look at the monthly charts, see, first of all, one must notice this was the retracement, rise, consolidation, breakout. I have mentioned here itself that a breakout is going to be stronger. Now it has achieved higher highs, and also it is trading outside Bollinger Bands, getting a very strong resistance at around 39,000 levels. And it is trying to stay within the bands. Now, question is, uh, can this candle close in red? Can we expect it to deliver higher lows and higher highs? Can we expect it to move towards 37,500, almost 1,000 points from right now? If you look at the charts here, yes, the candle is green, and the preceding body size, you should notice it is a swing candle, and with a smaller body, this suggested that the bullishness is diminished, but it has continued so far, achieving higher highs. So now if it stays below 38,000 levels, it will definitely fetch you another 500 points. And look at the divergence of the price from the 20 period moving average. The 20 months moving average is at 35,000 levels, and the median at 34,000 levels. So this is a definitely achievable zone, but how much time it is going to take, that is a big question. Also, the 100 months average is now at 20. Yes, right now it is trading in a strongly bullish zone, and it has been trading bullish since last almost 15 years or so, 12 to 13 years. You can see it is continuing to diverge. A stock stick is overbought here. On the monthly charts, it must start to look downward. See what has happened here, what has happened here, what has happened here. Can again happen here as well, where the downward move may begin. But my very point is MACD, which is still divergent, it is still bullish, it is looking upwards, and it is suggestive that it is still having bullishness intact. If you look at the MACD here, see, look at MACD, always it has bounced back from the same levels, and it is again trying to trade with bullishness. Thus, US30 is one which is still having a bullish intent intact in the prices, though it is overbought. But yes, it is something which is compared to Tech 100. When I see US30 is showing a bit of more bullish intent. However, remember, too much of divergence needs for it to crash, but it is not showing any intent of as of now. Thus, whenever it does, it is going to be a sharper one. RSI rising here, coming to week. Now look at weekly charts. We have seen it earlier trading in this zone, and I had earlier mentioned that the breakout is going to be stronger, and that is what we had seen. Now observe a couple of points here. See, uh, from the base here at 37,000, it has continued to trade within this expanding triangle. Now what it will do, it will wait for the moving average to climb up, it will wait for the median of the Bollinger Bands to climb up, and this makes this zone as a greater support zone, that is almost at 37,000, 36,000 levels. Now first thing is, it is still a far below levels from the current position, and 37,000 is going to be an extremely good support. 37,500 another good support. Now look at what has happened last week. It has achieved higher high, it has shown a reversal sign, first red candle. I expect it to open almost flat and start or resume the trade on the downside itself. Now important point is, if you see it trading beyond 38,700, we can expect that beyond 38,700 is where a little bullishness may prevail, where we can look forward for it to achieve again higher highs and hit 39,000 levels. Beyond 39,000 levels, it can again move towards 39 to 5300 and then 39,500 levels. But I consider this as a reversal. Even if it tries to achieve higher highs, the possibility of a drop will be very high. Now what will be my expectation is to open in red and continue on the downside from here, achieving lower lows. At least if you can look at two candles falling shy of 38,000 and 37,800 was the greater resistance. So this is the zone you should watch out for, first support zone on the downside. Stock ISTIC is staying overbought for almost 12 to 15 weeks now. Thus, it has to cool down very soon, and possibly the coming week is going to be the first step towards it. MACD is divergent and bullish. It has to converge. It is not showing any signs as of now, and it has also reached a good highs before it looks over to a reversal. RSI certainly is overbought. Coming to daily chart, look at daily charts here. Symmetrical movement. What it will try to do? It will try to form a symmetry here. See, it is almost identically symmetrical. Thus, I will wait for now for it to break below 38,500 levels, 38,400 levels, and then it will try to move in this fashion itself, the gradual the rise, the gradual the drop. Possibly it could try to move towards 38,000 very soon in next few sessions. Stochastic is rising here. MACD, now look at MACD on the daily charts, is divergent. It is bearish. It is looking downwards, but it is coming from the moderate levels here. RSI is looking downwards, suggestive of bearishness. Coming to 4 now, look at 4-hour chart. The resistance at 38,800 intact. Very good resistance. Price is reversing here, taking the support from the 20 period right now. And yes, it has to now break below 38,550 and 38,500. 480 zone. This zone is going to be a greater support zone for US30 in the coming week, breaking below which we can say a little aggressive bearishness, where prices will try to move towards 38,200 levels, the next support zone. Stochastic looking downwards, coming to oversold. MACD is in green, trying to converge here. RSI is trading bearish as well. So now we have seen the charts, we have seen the indicators. Time for me to give you the trading levels and strategies so that you can trade profitably and comfortably in the coming week. But before I give you the levels, if you want to learn this art of trading, be a part of my 29th mentorship batch commencing on 4th of March. Register yourself now. Also, if you just want to trade as per the signals, you can be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Reach out to me for any of your queries. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. And if you just want to trade as per this signals, join the signals channel. And do join the free Telegram channel for live market updates, and visit my platform www.forexfunda.com, which gives you all the markets related information along with the news, and also an opportunity for you to discuss with the community traders. And also you can book a call with me if you need any consultation or guidance. All the links are there in the channel and video description. Now first, let's talk about the levels to see. Though the bias can be bearish, but we have to keep eyes open. We have to just stick to the levels. When it is going on a buy side, stick on the buys. When it is going on the selling levels, just stick with the sells and keep trailing. That is how you can profit easily. So first, let's talk about the levels to buy. I will recommend you to buy here at 38,620 levels, but then wait for it to break beyond 38. See, very nearby resistances I cannot avoid sharing: 38,660 and then 38,750. Now this is going to be the hurdle zone around 38,750 and 38,800. This is going to be a greater hurdle for US30 in the coming week. If you see US30 trading beyond this zone, you can say it is turning bullish, and we can look forward to 39,000 levels this time, where it can try to achieve higher highs. 39,000 is a critical milestone for it to break. Now beyond this is where bulls will take over. I will be looking forward to 39,140 and plus levels here, chances for which appears to be less, but these are markets you have to keep trailing. You have to ensure that you are on the right side of the trade, and thus whenever it reverses, you have to keep closing your trades in profit and re-enter with the selling entries on the selling levels if you see it trading towards the selling zone. Now on the sell side, where to sell? I will recommend you to sell here at 38,550 itself, but remember 38,500, 480 first support zone, very critical support. After this, from 38,400 to 38,200, just 100 points or 200 points here, and 38,300. These are support levels at every 100 points for US30. Below 38 to 200 levels, this time I will be looking forward to 38,000 levels, and then 37,820 levels, the next support zone. This is going to be critical. Below this, we will look forward to 37,500, and below that, more bearishness may prevail. The tone is getting bearish as of now, but we have to stick to the levels. If it goes for a buy, just keep buying. Do not stick with the buys. It appears that markets might try to book a little profits from here. Take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch webinar series, Signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your queries. Do watch the twice a day updates, once first before the Asia session and next with the US session and before the data releases. Do watch both. And yes, do like, share, and comment, friends. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading week ahead and a happy weekend. Thank you.